Oli Olis! Hi guys! So, another unboxing from Lordhair. I wanted to try something different this time. So, I told them, let's do curly. Ooh! Ay, ay, ay. Oh, I already love the hair color. Oh, I love it! I can tell I'm gonna like it already. And you already know I use the exact same, but look, so I always use the French lace here, and then I do the polyurethane base all around with French lace in the middle. So it's my go-to. They already know, like, he likes this. I love it! Of course, I've got to mess with it. I want to shorten it a little bit on the sides because I would like to have it a little shorter, but, oh, it's cute. Okay, so I do want to show you that I do have more than one option when it comes to my hair systems. Anytime I clean them, I make sure that I take any of the gunk off. I get alcohol rub, 90, 91%, whatever it is, over 90 usually. And I remove everything so it's a nice clean start. I didn't shave this because I have nowhere to go for the next couple of days. So for right now, I'm just gonna show you what I would do on a normal basis, and here it is. So people ask me, what else do you use? Is it just this hair system? Even because sometimes they don't see the rest of the videos. So I have more than one. I have a few other ones where I pop them on and I go. It is that simple. I have more than one hair system. If you take care of them correctly, you'll be able to use them more often. The more you have, the easier you can switch from one to another one. Does that make sense? And then all you have to do is just pop one on, make sure it's glued on, and then you're ready to go. I mean, they're so simple. You fix them as you go. Of course, they would be fixed right here on the side, but look, simple. I'll show you what it's like, but with the new one, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of line up where the hair is gonna lay. So right around there to there. And then I'm just gonna glue it down. I'm just gonna push it down. You can massage this, you can do whatever you want to hold this down. You can press, you can do all that good stuff. Give me a second. Oh my God, I love this hair. This is a good way to have that like perm look for this. I don't know, I love it. Give me a second, let me fix it. Okay, so here we are. I had been so hesitant to get curly hair because I was like, it's not gonna suit my face. I love the fact that you can lift it up a little bit, scrunch it up. Look, ooh, I love it. Okay, dame un besito. I gotta go because this is too cute not to show off.